to buy a Kia Seltos or an MG Hector, then this video will convince you to buy their electric models. Hello and welcome, I am Ekta from Clear. Governments worldwide are encouraging the electrical vehicle industry through subsidies and other incentives. Even the consumers demand low emission commute instead of fuel powered vehicles, which endangers our planet. In this video, we will discuss why one must go for an electric vehicle. Before that, let us understand what an electric vehicle is and why is there so much hype around it. An electric vehicle, or EV as they are called, operate on electric motor instead of fuel or gasoline. Though the concept of electric vehicle has been around for a really long time, it has drawn a considerable amount of attention only in the past decade amidst a rising issue of carbon footprint. And also the rising issue of pollution, global warming, depleting natural resources and many other concerns have made electric vehicle a possible replacement for current generation automobiles. Also, the rising fuel prices, which we saw last year, have contributed to the customer's desire to switch to electric vehicles. Other than being cost effective, the purchase of electric vehicle can get you a lot of benefits in India. Let us discuss them. The central government has taken various initiatives to incentivize the purchase of electric vehicles, and it has also pushed the state government to do the same. The benefits fall under various categories. First category is of the purchase incentive, where you get a direct discount on cost of your electric vehicle. Then is coupons which you receive and can be reimbursed later on. The next is in form of interest subvention, where attractive discounts are offered by banks on the interest rate when you take a loan for purchase of an electric vehicle. Then comes registration fee exemption. Earlier this year, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways declared that electric vehicles will be exempt from fees for issue and renewal of registration certificates. Then comes scrapping incentives, which is given for deregistering your old petrol and diesel vehicle and purchase of an electric vehicle. Subsidies are granted by central and state government. Under the central government FAME 2 program, four-wheelers can earn a maximum subsidy of 1.5 lakhs. FAME 2 stands for Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles, while two-wheelers can get a subsidy of up to Rs 40% on their purchase price. State governments also provide incentives which are separate from those given under FAME 2 program. Now let's talk about road tax exemption. Most of the states also exempt electric vehicles from paying road fees, or the road tax as we call it, as per their electric vehicle policy. To find out more about the additional benefits which are offered in your state of residence and also by the central government, check out government's e-Amrit portal and the state's electric vehicle policy. Now let us discuss the tax benefits. The government has cut the GST component on electric vehicles to 5%, whereas the regular vehicles attract an exorbitant 18% GST. Apart from the GST benefit, government has also extended benefits under the Income Tax Act. When you repay a loan which was taken for purchase of an electric vehicle, you will get a total deduction of up to Rs 1,50,000 under Section 80EEB. Let us deep dive into the income tax benefit one can avail while servicing an electric vehicle loan. The Indian government introduced a new tax benefit to incentivize the purchase of electric vehicles under Section 80EEB. You will be eligible for this deduction if you service a loan from financial institution or NBFC, and the loan must be sanctioned between 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2023 for purchase of an electric vehicle, not petrol powered, not hybrid, but a purely electric powered vehicle. In that case, you can claim a deduction of the interest paid on such loan up to Rs 1,50,000 from your taxable income. But it is important to note that this deduction is available only if you opt the old tax regime. People availing the new tax regime will get the benefit of reduced income tax rates and not the benefit of deductions. Now let us consider a practical example and calculate the tax benefits on a car worth Rs say 15 lakhs. You can find the car EMI calculator in the description box below. Let's say you've taken a loan worth Rs 15 lakhs for purchase of an electric car. Enter the loan amount here and then using the sliding bar, adjust the number of months the loan is taken for. In our case, it's 5 years, so we've taken 60. And then input the interest rate. On doing this, the calculator will give you the total EMI payable, which will include both interest and principal component. But you must note that the deduction is given only on the interest component. The total interest that you're seeing here is for 5 years, but you will need the yearly interest figure for tax calculation. So go to the monthly repayment schedule and consider the interest amounts from April to March and then total them. If the total amount exceeds 1 lakh rupees 50,000, then you will have to take only 1 lakh 50,000 rupees. Considering you fall in the highest tax bracket of 30% and you have exhausted the limit of 1 lakh 50, your tax saving amount will come up to rupees 45,000, and this amount you will save every year, that is for 5 years. So the total tax saving amount will be 2 lakh 25,000. Aren't you also convinced to buy an electric vehicle now? If you already own an electric vehicle, then do write your suggestions and review for all of us in the comment section below and let us know which one to go for. If you have more questions related to tax planning, then leave us a comment and we'll get back to you shortly. Please do like this video and stay tuned for more such informative videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.